Hey, what's going on, guys? A little bit different project today. The Suzuki I've been driving every day, we're going to slap a new windshield in it. It's got some pretty nasty scratches across where somebody ran it with no wiper blades. So I'm tired of looking at those and having them show up in videos and all that fun stuff. I have another windshield out of one of these other Zooks sitting here, and I realize there's no good videos online that I could find of somebody putting a windshield in. There's one video, it's pretty good, but one of the comments I noticed on it was, well, how did you get your old windshield out? So we're going to do that. We're going to show taking the old one out and putting the new one in. Maybe we'll both learn a little bit. Hang around. See ya. All right, so you want to start off sitting in the car. Find you a tool, either a screwdriver, a little plastic pry tool is the best if you've got one. And you want to just start and get your tool under the bottom. It's easiest starting in the middle, but I have got crap in the way here. If you're not going to reuse the seal, there is an easier way to do this. And we might end up doing that. I think that's what we're going to do. Because I just don't have enough room to get started in here. Oh yeah. Stand by. I'm going to make life very easy. We're going to take those off for now. It makes it a whole lot easier if you just take a good sharp knife, come right up here, okay. I want to just try and do that all the way around. Now keep in mind, I've only taken out one of these windshields ever. That was that one a couple days ago. So I'm no professional by any means. And I've never put one in. Oh, there goes the glass. And see, that's why we don't use screwdrivers to do this. There it goes. There it goes. All right. Let's separate up here. Now I should be able to put this in. Around the other side. Boy, don't take much once you get a little nick in there, does it? Oh. Hopefully we can get this out. know it's safety glass, but seeing a crack in glass still makes you nervous to mess with it. Does me anyway. There we go. Alright. Got new rubber here. And we got some seal that goes inside the lip of this so that when your window's in there, you know, gives it something to adhere to and creates a nice tight seal around there. A lot of guys don't do this anymore, but you know, you take the factory windshield out, you have to scrape off where they had some on there before, so it obviously needs it, so let's do it. We'll see how this goes. And if you do get this everywhere like I do, I'm told some mineral spirits is all you need to clean it up. So we'll be finding out. If I had this on an actual bench, it would help. Once you get it started, it should go fairly easy, we hope. Finally got this gasket around the windshield, of course off camera. I had turned the camera off because I was about to lose it. It was not cooperating. Once it finally went, it went. I did notice one thing that helped me is on the outside of the gasket, there was one line with the letters OSD. I don't know what that stood for, but I decided to put that line at the center of the bottom. After that, it went in pretty smooth, so this thing didn't appear to have shape to it, but it did, I guess. Well, and what we're going to do is just take this line and cram it down in the groove. Let's hope the second part of this goes smoother. Trying to be careful putting this in here that I keep the gasket on the windshield, because I can see here it started to Alright, I've recruited these bozos to help me see if we can get this window stuck in here. Say hi, bozos. Hunter, push harder. Levi's out pushing you. I want to try and go as even as we can so we're not twisting the window too much. Let me try, Hunter, push on your corner as hard as you can. Watch your head, bud. Alright, move your hand along. You gotta keep pressure where I'm at. More.
Yeah, it's burning.
We'll get a towel or something and hold it. Alright, do not let up. Alright, push. Don't let up, I'm gonna come around there. And once you get a section smoothed out, buddy, just push in and down on the windshield as hard as you. Yeah. That just sucked right up in there. See ya. Oh yeah, not in there very good at all, is it? Just pull them home. I just thought we were doing really well. Here. I actually turn the hook away from where I'm going sometimes, so it's not trying to jab the rubber. I'm using that curve itself to... Hey guys, well, as you can see, we got her dropped in there. The worst part of that process was actually putting the gasket around the glass. That fought me every step of the way. But once I got it on there, you can see it didn't go into place too all that difficult. Had a little help from the boys and got her pushed in there. We're gonna get back to work on Project Fundraiser on the next video. I picked up the wheels and tires, got those mounted and balanced. They're not going to go on just yet. I want to go through the brakes and wheel bearings and all that good stuff while I got it apart. Hopefully get a trail video in here soon. I know the 20th we've got a good ride planned that we'll get a video from that. Today's July 4th though, so we got a couple weeks for that. So happy 4th, everybody. That's going to do it for this video, but glad you all watched. Hope you learned something. If you did, please give us a like, comment, subscribe. Something like 70% of y'all that have watched these videos haven't subscribed, so it would really help me out. Doesn't cost you a thing. That's a new windshield in a Samurai. It's missing one thing though. Hold on. Yeah, that's better. Get the old logo on there. Maybe somebody can actually find me and subscribe.